A loan against property LAP is a secured loan that allows individuals to borrow funds by leveraging their property. It's a practical financing option to fund large expenses like debt consolidation, education, business expansion, and much more. Here is a quick look at the eligibility criteria and essential documents required. Eligibility criteria. Age requirement. Applicants must typically be between 21 and 65 years of age. Residency. Only resident citizens of India are eligible. Income stability. Both salaried and self-employed individuals can apply, but a stable income source is essential. Credit score. A CIBIL score of 700 or above is generally preferred, reflecting credit worthiness. Property ownership. The property used as collateral should be free of legal disputes and have clear ownership documentation. Documents required. Identity proof. Aadhaar, PAN card or passport. Address proof. Utility bills, passport or voter ID. Income proof. Salaried individuals. Recent payslips and bank statements for the last 6 months. Self-employed individuals. Income tax returns, ITR, and financial statements for the last 3 years. Property documents. Includes title deed, property tax receipts, and sale agreement to establish ownership. At SMFG India Credit, the LAP process is streamlined to ensure convenience and transparency. With a loan against property, individuals can leverage their assets for larger financing needs while retaining property ownership. Consider applying with SMFG India Credit to access funds through your property's potential. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.